Good morning friends, welcome to Crispy Crunchy Cooking. So we are here again with another mouth-watering recipe and we are making masala tea which is full of herbs like cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, black pepper and so many other ingredients which are not only good for health but also keeps us warm in winters and are so full of nutrition. Along with that, we are also making crispy crunchy peanut masala snack which is so easy, so tasty and so delicious that you would like to make it again and again. So kindly go through my video and do tell us in the comment section how you find our video. So come on, let's see our video. So friends, as we told you, we are today making masala tea. Along with that, we are making crispy crunchy peanuts. So we'll tell you the ingredients. First, we'll make the tea and we'll tell you how to make it. So the ingredients are, we will take cloves and you can say it is long. And then green cardamom, green elaichi. This is almonds, badam, cinnamon or dalchini. And then we'll take 1 inch of ginger, and this is we have taken black pepper, and this is Kashmiri tea which we have taken out like this, and some sugar. So friends, now for making crispy crunchy coated peanuts, we have taken, these are salted peanuts, and we have taken this chickpea flour or besan, and we'll tell you how to make it afterwards. Okay, so friends, we will take 2 big cup of water, because as it will boil it will remain less than, we'll take 2.5 cup. Okay, and now we have switched on our gas and now we will put the ingredients. So I have taken 4 cloves, then 3 cardamom, small portion of dalchini, 1 inch of ginger, and this is small black pepper. And now we will make it boil. So friends, the water has started boiling and now we'll put, this is 2 teaspoons of sugar, we will add it. So friends, now I am adding this Kashmiri tea and we'll give it a good boil now. See friends, such a good color has come. We will allow it to simmer for 4 or 5 minutes more, and then an awesome flavor and an awesome color is coming, and then our tea will be ready. We will let it boil for few minutes more. See friends, such an awesome color has come. Our tea is absolutely ready now, and we will now strain it and put it inside our tea kettle. So friends, we have already strained our tea and now we will put it inside our tea kettle. See, such an awesome color has come. So our tea is ready. So now we will make our crispy crunchy peanuts. So this is chickpea flour. We will put it like this. And now we'll add a little amount of salt. We'll add black pepper. Then we'll add red chili powder. I've taken Kashmiri mirch. It just gives color and is not very chilly. And now chaat masala. And a little bit of haldi powder to give it a yellow color. And now see, we have to mix a very small portion of water, not much, so that all the flour may get coated on the peanuts. We'll add very small portion of water. We don't have to make it a gravy or like that. It should remain powdery only, but a very small portion of water. Now again we'll put small amount of flour in it. We have to add slowly one by one, and again we'll add some amount of salt to it, black pepper, and then again red chili powder, chaat masala, small portion of turmeric, and then again we'll add small portion of water, and then we will mix it. Okay, now we'll add a small portion of oil also, so that they may not get stick to each other. Each nut should remain different, they should not stick to each other. Okay, so we'll add small portion of oil to it. So friends, we have coated our peanuts with chickpea flour, and now we will deep fry it. Let it become crispy, and then we will turn it, and once they are golden brown or reddish in color, we will take them out. So friends, our peanuts are ready. Now we will take them out. See, such an awesome color has come, and they are looking absolutely delicious. I put a tissue under it so that the extra oil may get absorbed in it. See, they are looking so awesome and so delicious and so tasty. Like this we will fry our rest of the peanuts also. Friends, this is our next lot of peanuts. They are still yellow in color. We'll make them golden brown or dark red and crispy. So friends, our last lot of peanuts are also ready, and we will take them out. So our crispy crunchy peanuts are almost done. So friends, now we will pour our tea. Wow, what a color, see. And now we will decorate it with almonds. See, here also. And our tea is ready, along with crispy crunchy snacks. And see, these snacks are so tasty, and see, they are so इतने कुरकुरे बने हैं, ये बहुत ही टेस्टी बने हैं. And you can actually see they are so crunchy and so crispy. Wow, awesome. And see, the tea is looking so nice. Friends, you must have enjoyed these crispy crunchy kurkure peanuts, and look, it is so easy to make. And this is our masala tea, which is very healthy and so nutritious in winters. I think you must have enjoyed it. So do tell me in the comment how you find our video. Next time we'll bring another amazing recipe. Up till then, goodbye, take care, I love you all.